Hi.
What's up, guys? Your boy ADOG. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we're gonna do this FBI prank. Let's get it.
Oh my god. I'm watching a YouTube video without ads.
Yeah, oh my god, it's so good.
You're the most beautiful person I've ever seen on here. Yeah, the one in the blue shirt. Wait, seriously, how old are you though? God damn it.
16.
You're 16?
Yeah.
Hold on, I think someone's calling me.
Fish!
Hey, you good this time. You good this time, bro. You good this time, bro. They ain't underage, bro. You good this time, bro. I promise. Wait, you're what?
19.
Okay, wait, right.
Bro, there's a dog.
Yeah, open up. You're a little old, and that's kind of gay, my guy. You can't be doing that.
I'm 15.
You're 15?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
انت ما حسبش لها جاية جلولة.
She's 1 year younger than you, man. You can't be doing this. Actually, no, I'll accept it. She's 1 year younger than you, so I'll accept it.
Ever?
Yeah.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
That's complete cap.
No, I'm
But
being
thank
dead
you.
serious. I'm being dead serious, though. But how old are you?
17.
Okay, I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Just please don't hit the skip button. I'll be back.
What? I'm so confused. I'm gonna skip you.
Hey, that's acceptable, bro. I'm gonna accept that. That's acceptable, man, okay? Someone's calling me. They're 19. I think they're a little bit old for you, boy. Right back, okay? Okay. I just gotta go. I gotta be right back. FBI, open up. That's kind of gay. I'm not gonna lie. How old are you? Come on, bro. Oh, she beat me to it. But how old are you?
I'm gonna be 15 on August 8th.
Oh, cool. Hold on. Give me a minute. I gotta be right back. Hey man, she way too young for you, man. She's 14. The hell, you are 16, bro. You need to get it together. I don't have Snapchat. I have internet. Hey, so how old are you?
16.
Okay, I'll be right back. Open up! Hey, you have a girl. God damn it! So I'm gonna be right back.
Que va a volver ahorita. Que no lo solté.
Hey, you have a girlfriend for goddamn sakes! I'll be right back.